Charlie's right there.
I know. There's Charlie
He's the big,
biting on the tail.
big fat dark one.
This guy. This guy. Hey. Hey. What's up, dude?
Okay.
I wish I could take them all. That'd be so fun.
Hey.
You're scratching.
What's up, Charlie?
Scratching.
Look at
And
him.
you
He's got my thumb.
This one's the one.
Look at all.
This one's the, look at how big she is. This is the last one that got picked last Sunday. Aren't you? By Ashley Joe.
They're great. They're great. Gotta love them.
Dude.
There's Charlie. He has my. He will not let go.
Makes him get, wow, you are getting your share of the food. That dog is fat. Getting
You see him? Charlie.
Just a little white spot.
Charlie's getting his own YouTube channel, so people are gonna start following this guy.
Oh, no kidding.
Oh yeah. Watching him go through training and all that stuff.
Oh, that's cool. I'll have to check it out.
Definitely. You'll watch
My
him
son
grow.
does
I'll
lot
take
of
a.
that YouTube stuff.
Yeah, I'll take a